Hello, this is Dominic. I'm here to talk a little bit about the CARBs Act and what you need to know if you're an RV owner or if you're wanting to buy one. In summary, and I'll have a link to the RV Industry Association article about why they plan to have a zero emissions RV requirement and how that's going to affect you come January 1st. In short, the CARBs Act will requires the RV industry to have more and more electric vehicles and electric type RVs as from 2025 to 2035. And the problem right now is that the manufacturers in California, Oregon, Washington, I believe the state of Colorado, which is where I am, and Massachusetts, the RV industry, the manufacturers of the RVs are having a hard time meeting that requirement and are will not be satisfying the requirement with additional RVs. So this only affects you if you want to buy an RV over 8,500 pounds in those states that I mentioned, and it will not affect you if you have an RV that's over 8,500 pounds in those states if you want to sell it. If it's a used RV or if you currently own one and you want to sell it. But in short, I'm going to have a link to this act down below this video so you can read all about it. But it's worth noting, if you live in the state of California, Oregon, Washington, Colorado, Massachusetts, New Jersey, I believe New York, you will want to pay attention to this because you're going to find that you're going to have more and more difficulty trying to buy an RV in those states. And some of what right here, it's called the Advanced Clean Trucks Regulation, and here's some of the FAQs that you may want to read up on. It says, is it all motorhomes or just diesels that are covered by this act, and is there a weight limit? And this will affect all motorhomes above both diesel and the combustion type vehicles. So if it's over 8,500 pounds, then you're going to have difficulty finding them. You're going to have difficulty buying them, and you're going to have difficulty with getting the proper licensing for them after 2025 through 2035, because of the requirement of having more and more electric vehicles. And here you can see that the rules are affect Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Washington, and definitely the state of California. It also says that with the 2025 model year, while rules in Vermont will take effect with the 2026 model year, those in Colorado, Maryland, New Mexico, and Rhode Island will be with the 2027 model years. So that's worth noting. But I wasn't even aware of this. I know it's going to take effect come 2025. I wasn't aware of this until recently. I know we only have about another month or so to go. So if you're a RV owner, if you plan to buy an RV in 2025 and there beyond, in those states, you're going to find more and more difficulty trying to find vehicles over 8,500 pounds because the regulation is guided or geared toward more zero emissions vehicles, and they want the manufacturers to produce more of those in the coming years, and the manufacturers are just having a hard time doing that. So know this may affect you, and pay attention, and I just wanted to make you aware of that. So that's all for now, and I hope that you find this helpful, and look at the link down below this video. Thank you. Goodbye.